we here now.
Where are we?
Gyeongwongjae Ambassador Restaurant. Yes, to have our 7-Volt influencer appreciation trip luncheon. I don't know what to expect, but it's gonna be really interesting, and I'm really hungry. Haven't had my breakfast yet. Wow! Right now we're in this very cool coffee coffee house. I don't remember the name, but it's in Incheon. Do you know what the name of this place?
This name is
confirm got place. They've just renovated it to look really awesome inside, because the outside looks completely different. So this is the female toilet, and this is the men's toilet. They've even got this phone booth over here. They've got a really old tractor right here. Like, you could actually drink your coffee over there, over here. On the outside it's old, but look at the renovation, how it looks like inside. It's all glassed out. Wow, I'm so amazed. I'm blown away. It's Luge.
How you say is Luje.
So the tour guide says it's Luje. So it's Korean pronunciation, so we are gonna play Luje. So we're gonna start on top there, and then we're gonna come all the way down to here, I think. Baby boo boo. Excited? It's gonna be cool though. That was really fun. I want to go for one more. It was actually moving really fast. Like, it wasn't slow at all, and you could really control it. It's so fresh. Oh my god. So we're at our dinner place, and we're gonna start eating real soon. We're having seafood, and everything is super duper fresh. Look at the octopus. Look at the octopus. I'm gonna show you guys.
What is this?
Just FYI, I don't eat octopus, yeah. So that I don't know. Very. Good morning. I didn't actually finish recording yesterday. We came back and we crashed. We managed to pack our bags, and right now it is 8:30 AM and we're gonna be checking out from this hotel, move into the city, and then after that we're gonna start the whole excursion all over again for day 2. Right now we're gonna go and grab quick breakfast, and then we're gonna go out. Poo! Packy. Oh, check it out. The banana is out.
Okay. If you eat a lot of banana, you'll become like.
Retake. Yeah. And that's pretty much all the time we have here. Oh, I bumped into a Korean girl. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. This is the place where they've got loads of colorful buildings. And we're gonna be here for like half an hour. Check this place out. After an hour and a half journey, we are finally at our second hotel, which is the Novotel Hotel in Dongdaemun. Come, let me take you guys for a view from the outside. Wow! First, of course, huge mirror. You got the toilet. It's a very basic toilet. You got a huge TV, beautiful queen bed, a work table right here, and what's going on here? Oh, what's happening here, love? Window. It's right smack in the middle of Dongdaemun, and it's the best place to stay because we'll be able to go shopping after the whole day, if and only if we're not tired. So we got 1 hour to prepare, so let's go.